Hi, this is Reggie from Resto Plus Physical Therapy. A lot of members of our community are asking, how am I doing, and how is my team doing during this time of crisis, during this uh, coronavirus pandemic. And first is I want to say thank you very much, to everyone. We've I really appreciate all the concerns that you have for me, my family, and my team. So I created this video to just to answer that question. How is Reggie doing? How am I doing? As you can see, the background's a little different. This is not something that's familiar to you. It's not my regular background. With the office setting. I'm at home right now. And I just want to share with everyone, how am I doing, and what am I doing during this coronavirus pandemic. First is I want to tell everyone that I firmly believe that things happen for our benefit, and what this has brought for me, or this what this has given me, is it has slowed me down. I have to say that this, just having less work, not much sports events, so I don't get to watch TV too much. With the movie theaters and restaurants being closed, and those are the things that I like to do. It slowed me down quite a bit, and it gave me that one thing that's really really important, really precious. I think this the most important thing for me is time. It has given me more time. It slowed me down, that my brain and my body is able to just relax a little bit. And just last weekend I was able to spend time, more time with my boy. I have a 6-year old, and he's homeschooled right now. But last weekend I was able to spend more time with him. We watch a couple movies, actually, on DVD, eating popcorn, and we were also able to build his Lego remote control truck. And that was awesome. That was a lot of fun, and I haven't had that much time or spent that much time with him in a while, because we're always busy doing stuff when we work. So this has given me the chance to actually just have more time with him, enjoy my time with him. So for me, that's really awesome. And the other thing that I focus on during this time is I continue to focus on my health. I continue to help to build my immune system. I continue to exercise, eat healthy, take my supplements, and other natural stuff to make sure that my immune system is strong, my body is healthy, so that it can help not only fight the coronavirus, but any kind of virus or any kind of infection in general. So I think that's something that it's crucial also, and I've been focusing a lot on that. So those two things, time and health, I think are the most important, kind of like takeaway early lessons for me at this point, during this time that everybody's panicking. I just stay calm, relax, and do what go on with my life, do what I usually do. Just now enjoy a little more, because the time, and like I said, I continue just focusing on my health. So I want to share that with everyone, and I would love to hear how you're doing, and what you guys are up to. I would love to see those comments, and also those emails. I would love to read through them, or even maybe chat a little bit. So yeah, I guess until next time, I wish you all good health, stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye.